Click-and-Go mode allows you to choose the destination of your ARDrone 2.0. A new control interface shows the geographical map. Click on this map to determine the destination of your ARDrone within the limits of the Wi-Fi connection. You can also change the speed during flight. The GPS receiver improves stabilization even further by calculating the position of your ARDrone in flight and helping to prevent it from drifting in the wind. With the flight recorder, your flight data is enriched by GPS location data. By registering with the ARDrone Academy, you can access a record of all the flights you have made, review their trajectory in 3D, and position them on the ARDrone Academy map.